This is your circadian rhythm, but it doesn't have an alarm clock. But how will it alert you when it's time to go to the bed? At night, artificial light can disturb our body clock, but not all color of lights can bring harm to us. But blue wavelength can affect our bodies at night. Blue wavelength are the shortest wavelength wave on visible light spectrum. Blue light mainly came from sunlight, electronic devices and fluorescent bulbs or LED lights. Blue light is necessary during daytime, but can impact after dark. Our body will stay alert and focused during the day after receiving blue light. The main problem is light bulbs and electronic devices can produce large amount of blue light wavelength, exposed to our body even when the sun is down. Darkness can trigger our brain to release hormone melatonin. With the presence of the blue light, it makes our brain suppress the secretion of melatonin, which makes our body harder to fall asleep and have a good quality sleeping time, which can lead to short and long-term effects to our body, not only from receiving good sleep quality, but it can cause melatonin deficiency. Brain part hypothalamus connects the nervous system to endocrine system. Biological clock. Our group of nervous cell originates within hypothalamus called suprachiasmatic nuclei, SCN. The function of SCN is to control circadian rhythm by connecting optic nerve with endocrine and nervous system. When morning light enters the eyes, neuron cells activates and send impulse via optic nerves to our brain. Then SCN sends signal to endocrine system to release active hormones and inhibit sleep hormones. Thus, our body temperature, heartbeat and blood pressure rises. Blue light from device is worse than the sun as LED device emits stronger blue light. Then, spending hours staring at screen can cause eye damage and fatigue. According to a research, blue light suppress melatonin and shift circadian rhythm 2 times more than green light. Light with lower energy waves are absorbed by the cornea outer membrane. Blue light can pass through due to its high energy and enter the retina. Brain use blue light to differentiate between day and night. Long blue light exposure can lead to eyes fatigue, which cause frequent blinking of eyes. Human are controlled by special biological clock, known as circadian rhythm, which control our sleeping pattern. What happens now is our biological clock was disrupted by blue light coming from gadgets, such as smartphone and computer. There are some article discusses to make the smartphone blue light dimmer in order to reduce the blue light effect. However, eliminating blue light with night shift featured on the phone does not proven to reduce or prevent the biological disruption that cause on the night. Other than that, photosensitive retinal ganglion cells are primarily responsible for processing blue light or circadian rhythm, which also responsible for vision. Any disturbances to this cycle will have an effect on your sleep. As a result, you may experience difficulty falling asleep or even staying asleep. Difficulty to sleep will have detrimental effects on a person's sleeping schedule. Being unable to sleep on time or in line with a person's natural circadian rhythm will push the timing backward. As a result, people would still be energetic and awake even when it used to be the usual time for them to sleep, and sleep for longer hours when they fall asleep. When a person's sleeping schedule is pushed back, it will be misaligned with the Earth's natural distribution of light, also known as the sunrise and the sunset. If the problem persists, they will end up being more alert in times where the sun has set and sleepier in times where the sun has risen. This imbalance of sleeping hours in relation to the light and dark cycle associated to the rising and setting of the sun will result in poorer and uneven sleep, which in turn bring forth numerous issues including depression. Since blue light can disrupt sleep-wake cycle, it is necessary to reduce effect of blue light to maintain healthy sleep-wake cycle. One way to reduce blue light exposure is to wear a blue light blocking glasses. The glass is efficient filtering blue light wavelength from digital sources. It is good for people that work under long screen time. Blue light filtering glasses not only help correcting sleep-wake cycle, but also reduce digital eye strain and visual fatigue. Since blue light can pass through human eyelid, it is necessary to switch off all lights when going to sleep or simply wear a sleep mask. These action can prevent the body to wake up at stage 1 and stage 2 of sleep cycle, allowing the brain to enter deep sleep stage and finally rapid eye movement stage. The last 2 stage correlated with good sleep quality. Thus, the person achieve enough rest and feel energetic when waking up. To reduce blue light from lamp during night, install red or orange lamp which do not emit blue light. By using this alternative lamp, Our brain can secrete melatonin normally and help us to be sleepy,